Hello people, so today we will solve LeetCode daily question that is the reverse substrings between each pair of parentheses, and in this we'll begin a string S that consists of lowercase English letters and brackets, and we have to reverse the strings in each pair of matching parentheses starting from the innermost one, and our result should not contain any brackets. Okay, for example, we are having the S as A B C D within a parenthesis, so we have to reverse this whole string. That will become then DCBA. Then we are having S is equal to you love I. Okay, so firstly what we will be doing is as it's mentioned in the question that we need to reverse the innermost ones. So if we reverse this, then this will become I'm just commenting it here. Yeah, then it will become as something like U, then EVOLI. Okay, then we'll be just left this parenthesis, and then if we reverse it as well, that becomes I love you, which you can say to your girlfriend if you have one. Okay, otherwise we should say that to LeetCode. Okay, so we have to do this, and just this is the question. So for that, this question we'll be using a stack because we need to somewhere track backwards as well. So using a stack will be like a really great idea. Okay, so let's have a stack of strings. Okay, let's call it stack only, that is equal to a new stack. Then what we'll be doing is we'll be traversing in the string is that for char ch in s dot to character array. Okay, firstly what we'll be checking is that if my current character is equal to a closing parenthesis. Now this is where the main thing start. What I'll be doing is I'll be having a string builder, because after reversing this particular string I have to like put it back into the parenthesis, like the outer parenthesis as well, so when the final string is considered is constructed, this will also matter. Okay, so then what I'll be doing is I'll be having a string wheel. Let's call it this p, that is equal to a new okay, that is equal to a new string builder. Okay, now what I'll be doing is that while not stack dot is empty, I guess we can just skip this condition as well. I'll be like after once running the code, I'll be checking it because it should be having a starting parenthesis as it's mentioned in the question, but it's not like it's a confirmed thing. Yeah, it is granted that all parentheses are balanced, so we can just skip this condition as well. So then we need to check is that while not stack.peak is equal to a opening bracket. Okay, so if this is not the case, what I'll be doing is I'll be doing sp.append my stack, the topmost character from the stack.pop. Okay, now what I'll be doing is that if this condition is met, then I'll be popping off the topmost parenthesis that will be a opening bracket. So I'll be just calling stack.pop. I'll be adding that is, so what this will do is this will delete the opening bracket, which is this. Okay, then what I'll be doing is I'll be like pushing it the new string which has been generated to the stack. Okay, so sp dot push sp dot reverse dot to string. Okay, so yeah, why we are reversing it, because we have already, like, when it will be going to appending, when it will be appending, it's going to be appended to the string builder, it's going to reverse, so that means we need to form it back to the original one. Okay, so we'll be reversing it once again. Then okay, else if this is not the case, so in that case I'll be just pushing every character started push string dot value of my character. Okay, now after this for loop I'll be generating my final answer string. So string builder answer, that is equal to a new string builder, and then while not stack dot is empty, so in that case I'll be appending my stack dot pop. Okay, and then at the end I'll be returning reversing the answer string, reverse dot to string. Okay, now let's give it a run. Okay, still not, method cannot be applied to the, oh, stack dot p dot equals, okay, sorry, dot equals, yeah. Now let's run it. Yeah, and it's script. Now let's submit it, and it works perfectly fine. Okay, so this was it for today. Thank you for watching.